Bose SoundLink Mini is a very good Bluetooth speaker, but how is this clone version? This is the replica of Bluetooth speaker Bose SoundLink Mini. On the top, you have a power button, a mode button, two previous track and the next track button, and volume up and down buttons. Also a SoundLink Mini label. On the back, there is an auxiliary port, a USB jack, a micro USB input, and a micro SD card slot. Coming to the bottom, there's two standoffs. Now let's turn on the speaker.
Enter to Bluetooth.
Let's connect this Bluetooth speaker. The Bluetooth speaker is labeled as SoundLink Mini itself.
Bluetooth connected.
Okay guys, it is successfully connected, so we can play some songs through it. In this song test, you can also test the sound quality of the speaker.
Bluetooth cancelled.
This speaker performed very well with the Samsung Galaxy S23 3. Now let's test with Lenovo A5000. Let's again go to settings and turn on Bluetooth and connect to this speaker.
Bluetooth connected.
As you can see, it's connected. There are no songs in this phone, so we are going to settings and play some ringtones. You can see a reverb effect or an echo effect. This is because the ringtone is playing both from the smartphone and also the Bluetooth speaker. While playing normal songs, there's no issue. Okay guys, now let's charge the device. SoundLink Mini takes about 6 hours to fully charge, but it discharges in just 4 hours. There's a red LED you can see. When the charge is full, the LED automatically stops. The nice thing is that we can even play music when the device is charging. Now let's connect a USB to the speaker. The USB is formatted at NTFS file system. Not enough confident this will work on the speaker. Let's turn off the Bluetooth.
Enter aux in. Enter aux in.
You can see that the LED on the USB is blinking, but it is not working in the speaker. As I guess, this is probably because of the file system the USB is formatted. Okay guys, that's it our review of the Bose Replica SoundLink Mini Bluetooth speaker. If you liked it, please subscribe.